Hello and welcome back to Obscure Jewels, where I'm your host, as well as your narrator, Crayola Coaster. And today, we'll be reading from At the Zoo by Sesame Street Workshop. So as always, if you have a copy, please grab your copy and let's read together. There are so many animals to see at the zoo. Come along so Elmo and friends can show them to you.
Come on.
Elmo likes the elephant, whose trunk swings left and right. With floppy ears and big feet, she is quite a sight.
Correct.
With black and white stripes, the zebra is easy to spot. He likes to eat grass and gallop and trot. The giraffe is Big Bird's favorite animal of them all. He has the longest neck, which is why he's so tall.
Correct.
Now that we've shown the animals to you, what is your favorite animal at the zoo? The end. And that was At the Zoo by Sesame Street Workshop. Thank you all a million times over for tuning in, liking, subscribing, sharing, following, all the above. And until next time, always and forever, keep reading. Thank you. Bye.